So do you think quality audio is very important when it comes to content creation? The answer is yes. You can have the best camera, the best setup, the best studio, and if your audio is very bad, it will be very hard for your audience to watch your videos for a very long time. So in this particular video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can convert your audio from this quality into this quality using an AI. So if you want to know the particular AI I will be using for this tutorial, then watch till the end of the video to know this particular AI. And the best part is this particular AI is free, so you can use it even without signing up or signing in. So let's get into the video. So open your browser, and I'll be using Chrome for this particular tutorial. Now come to the search bar, then type Adobe Podcast. So we will be using this particular AI to enhance our audio. So let's click on it. So recently, Adobe Podcast AI has introduced another version which is called the V2 AI. So we are going to try this V2 AI to enhance our audio. So we will click on Enhance Speech V2. So click on it. So this is the interface of Adobe Podcast AI. So we are going to use it to enhance audio. And also, if you come to this particular side, you can choose the version that you want to use, but you are going to use the V2 for this particular video. And you can also use this button to upload your files. And also, when you come to this particular side, which is audio only, it will show you the type of audio format that you can upload onto the AI. And also the maximum duration of an audio that you can generate is 30 minutes, and also 500 megabytes maximum size. And also you have 1 hour total daily limit just for free, even without signing up or signing in. So let me show you how you can use this AI tool to enhance your audio. So what you need to do first, you can come and click on choose file, or you can just drag and drop your file into this particular space. So let me open my file where I can find my audio. Then I will just drag and drop it onto this particular space. So first, Adobe Podcast will upload your audio onto their AI. Then it will start enhancing your speech for you. So you will have to wait for a while for your audio to be enhanced for you. So this particular AI tool is very amazing. And at the end of this video, you will see why I'm recommending this particular AI for you to use to enhance your audios. Wait for a while for your audio to be enhanced and generated for you. So our audio has been enhanced, and as you can see, you can click this particular site to play the audio, and also you can click on the download button to download your audio onto your computer. And also, if you haven't exceeded the maximum duration that comes with the free version, you can upload another audio file, then enhance the audio. So let me download my audio onto my computer. So after downloading the enhanced audio onto your computer, I'm going to play the original audio. Then after that, I'm going to play the enhanced audio. Then you will see how powerful this particular AI tool is. So I'll recommend you use this AI tool to enhance your audios day in and day out. This AI tool is very powerful and also amazing. So I'm going to put the link of this particular AI tool in the description. So this is how you can enhance your audio using Adobe Podcast AI within minutes. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell. So see you in the next tutorial.